Hey guys, Sean from Livingseeds Farm here. We've been asked to do a short video on our drip irrigation systems. As you can see on Livingseeds Farm, we use drip irrigation exclusively. So our drip systems are very simple. They consist of three main parts. This is a start connector, this is a stop end, and then we actually have the drip line itself. So this drip tape is a 16mm agricultural grade drip tape, and it's got, if you look at these two holes over here, it's got 300mm centers. So this is one of our drip lines that are currently in operation, and you can see there's a small little drip coming out approximately every 2 or 3 seconds, and this drip line will emit water at 1 liter per hole per hour. We typically run these drip systems for about 2, maybe 3 hours every 2 or 3 days. So this line that we put down, we call this a sub-line, and this is the sub-line that you would run down the side of your veggie garden, and you would need to go and buy a pipe. We use a 25mm pipe on our farm, but for most home gardens 16mm is more than adequate. It's very simple to install. We have a punch. It's got a little plastic cap. It's incredibly sharp, and we use this punch, and all we do is we just punch a hole directly into the subline. Once you've done that, you take a start connector, put it onto the end of the punch, and you use the punch to push the start connector in. And as you can hear, it clips in quite positively. It makes a self-sealing connection that shouldn't leak at all. To install the drip line, it's very simple. What you do is you take the drip tape, you just slide it over, and you close the start fitting. So there's your drip line that's installed. Normally what we do is we leave the stop ends off, and we would actually flush the entire system and then start closing the stop ends one at a time. This ensures that any foreign matter like soil or bits of dirt actually gets flushed out of the system before you put the drip system in operation. Something to note about these drip systems is that they are designed to run at a maximum of 1.2 bar. On a farm, if you're running off a water tank or a JoJo tank, that's not a problem. If you're running off council pressure, just turn the tap open about a quarter. You just want the water to actually flow out. It mustn't squirt out. The very cool thing about these drip systems is that we have what's called a brake connector. So if somebody nicks your drip system and you actually have water squirting out, all you need to do is just cut the drip pipe and you put a brake connector on either end of the brake. There's the one side done, there's the other side done, and there you have your drip system intact again. Guys, thank you for watching. We really enjoy your support. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below, and please just push on our logo next door over here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day, guys.